Hi guys, it's me Rakin. Today's video I'm going to show you that how you can connect your WhatsApp account with the Claude desktop application, and through this integration you can send message to anyone through the WhatsApp from your Claude chat or Claude Cowork or Claude Code. Just to show you, if I say to my Claude, send a message to the Rakin Zakaria in WhatsApp just by asking how he's doing everything. And if I go with send, now you can see that Claude just sent this message to Rakin Zakaria in the WhatsApp. So let me send a message to a WhatsApp group, and for that I'll say to my Claude, send a message to the Hello AI group about the Claude mythos. First of all, research on this topic and then make a brief description. After that, send a brief description to that group. If I go with send, and I can see based on my request it actually did the same thing. It sent the brief description about the Claude mythos to this WhatsApp group. And also, if I want, I can read messages from a WhatsApp just inside the Claude. For that, I'll say that, can you check that what Rakin Zakaria sent me the last time? And if I go to send, and I can see that it actually read the message from my WhatsApp, and it's showing me that this is the message the person has sent me. And here Claude using my own WhatsApp account. In this case, I don't need to use any WhatsApp bot. So let me show you something also. If I want, I can automatically outreach to businesses through the WhatsApp just inside from the Claude. To do that, I'll just say simply to my Claude, find out the top 5 plumbers contact information in NYC and reach out to them through the WhatsApp with a simple proposal. At first, add a simple description about the importance of AI in the plumbing industry, and at the last add a CTA about me, just by saying that I can help them to integrate AI in their business, and that will help them to gain 5x more profit in the next 6 months only. If I go to send, so here you can see that it actually find out top 5 plumbers contact information, especially the WhatsApp number in NYC. And in my WhatsApp, you can see that it sent the proposal to this 5 plumbing company, and here's the proposal how I requested. That's how it created that. So now you can understand that through this simple integration you can automatically outreach to thousands of businesses WhatsApp account very easily. And this is the first time in the history someone's showing you how you can connect your personal WhatsApp account with the Claude. So make sure you watch the video until the end. So the WhatsApp integration is only possible in the Claude desktop application, and if you're not using the Claude desktop application, for that you have to simply come to claude.com/download, and from here you can easily install that for your device. And after installing, when you open that for the first time, it will show you something like this. And after doing that, you have to move to the next step, and where you have to add the WhatsApp with the Claude. But there's a problem, like if you go to the connectors of the Claude, and here if you search for the WhatsApp, you will not find the WhatsApp in here. You can see that there is no WhatsApp integration in here. It's mean Claude officially still doesn't connect it with the WhatsApp. So in this case, we have to use a third-party application, and that will allow the Claude to connect with our personal WhatsApp account. And also, you will not find any third-party application on the internet that will work for that. So that's why I made the third-party application by myself, and you will find that inside the Hello AI community. I had given the link in the description. So after joining, you have to go to the classroom section, and there you have to go to the Claude Code section, and there you have to go to the plugins place, and here you'll find the WhatsApp section, and here you can see that you can download that for your Windows or Mac Intel or Mac Apple Silicon M1 to M4. In this case, I'm going with Windows because I'm a Windows user. To download that, only have to just click to download, and here we have to just go with download. And after the download get completed, let me just open that. And again, when you open the application, it will show something like this. So you have to just go with more info, and then you have to just go with run anyway, and then just go with next and then install. And after installing, let me just go with run Hello AI WhatsApp and then go with finish. So after that, you will see something like this, where at the first you will see a scanner, and here you have to just grab your phone like this. And let me show you also my screen in here, that what I'm doing. At first, I'm just opening my WhatsApp, then I'll go with these 3 dots, then I'll go with link devices, and here I'll just go with link a device. And after that, it will open the keyword scanner, and here I only have to scan the keyword that is in front of me like this. And as you can see, it just connected the Google Chrome Mac OS, and also in the screen you can see that it just connected successfully, right? And it's saying that ready to send messages from Claude desktop. So that's how you can connect your personal WhatsApp account with the Claude desktop, and that will allow the Claude to use that. So now the most important thing is that we have to also add the Claude desktop. To do that, I'll just go with install into Claude desktop. I'll just click that. Okay, and saying that now fully quiet and reopen the Claude desktop. So for that, I'll just turn off everything about the Claude, and also I'll just turn off that from the background like this. Okay, and I'll go with okay. And as you can see, that's saying that connected to Claude desktop. So how you can see, easily just go to the Claude again, and then just go with these 3 lines, and then just open the setting. And here if you go to the developer section, you'll see this section, hello AI WhatsApp has been connected in here successfully. So right now I can use the WhatsApp inside my Claude, and again I can use the Claude chat or Claude cowork or like Claude code just to connect with my WhatsApp. I can send anything to anyone. And here make sure that the application or the software is turned on in the background. Otherwise Claude can't use the WhatsApp because it have to actively connect it with the Claude. And here also let me say that in the setting option you'll find the safe mode, and if you turn on that, what's gonna happen, Claude will ask permission from you every time before sending the messages. And if you turn off that, it means that Claude can automatically send the messages to anyone just inside the Claude. It will not ask permission in this software every time. So if you need very strong protection, then you can just turn on that. But if you think, okay, I can just believe this software, let's go with that, then just turn off that. And in the MCP server of the port, you don't have to do anything. Let's just keep that as it is. Okay, let me just minimize that. So let me check that is it successfully added my WhatsApp or not. In the Claude, I'll say that please check the WhatsApp is added successfully with you or not. And for the first time, it will obviously ask for some permissions. As you can see that it's saying the WhatsApp tool are loaded. Let me just pull your recent chats to confirm it's working properly. So now you can see that this is the recent chat I did with my friend and also with my university group, kind of like this thing. So in here, let me try to send a simple message to a contact just to see that is it can properly send the message to the person or not. And for that, at first let me just go to the plus, and here if I just go to the connectors, and here let me see that is it added the WhatsApp or not. So you can see that it's enabled, and also for some reasons if you want to turn off that, you can just turn off that like this. But in this case I obviously want to use that, so I'll just always go and turn on. So let me say that send a message to Rakin Zakaria just by asking how he's doing everything. So here you can see that it's showing me there are 2 contacts named as Rakin Zakaria, and which one you want to go with. There's one is Thai number and another one is a VD number. So I'll just go with the last one ended with 07. So in here you can understand that every time you have to give very specific name, otherwise it can't actually work with that. So that's very important. So in here it's saying that the message sent to Rakin Zakaria has been successful. And if I just open my WhatsApp right now, in here you can see that there's the message just been sent. So here you can see that it sent that, hey bro, how's everything going? Hope all is well on your end. Awesome. So let me just send a reply to this account just by turning to another WhatsApp account. And here I'll say that, hey brother, doing everything well. Okay, then just go and send. Okay, now you can see that I sent the message to my another account. It's mean the account I connected the Claude. So let me check right now, can my Claude read my WhatsApp messages? Further I'll say that what Rakin Zakaria sent it as a reply to my last message. So here you can see that it actually read the message just in now, and it's saying that he replied with, hey brother, doing everything well, how about you? And also saying me, do you want me to reply back? I'll just go with yes, send a reply back with I'm doing well. So in my WhatsApp, I just got the message that I'm doing also well, alhamdulillah, thanks for asking bro. Though I didn't say that like to add the alhamdulillah, but the thing is like Claude actually knows me, I'm Muslim, and also it has actually access with my chats through the WhatsApp, how I communicate with people. So that's how it actually got my tune and actually using that. That's very awesome though. So now let's check that it can also send messages to the WhatsApp group. So for that, I'll say something, please send a message to my group AI learners, where at first you have to research on the Claude latest updates and then make a simple description on the updates and then send that So you can see it's saying that let me first find out the latest Claude updates, then send that to the group. And the thing is, like, sometimes for any kind of like privacy issues, it would ask for the permission. So if you just go with always allow, it's mean in the next it will not ask for this kind of permissions. So you can see that just the message has been sent in the WhatsApp right now, and it's saying that Claude AI latest updates April 2026 has the quick roundmap of what Anthropic has shipped recently. Claude managed agents, public beta, computer use in Cowork, Claude Code, advisor tool, Cowork now generally available, Project Glasswings, okay, Claude Code updates, memory for all users, ANTCLI, 300k output tokens, and at the last it said that stay sharp, okay. And the way it sent the message, it is very cool. Again, I didn't did anything. I didn't say that like how you have to send a message. I still didn't train my Claude about how to message. So it's kind of like doing everything by itself. If I want, I can do that. I can say that like that's how you have to do that. And again, let me just say also how much you will use that much it will know about you. Can actually understand that how you actually talk with people in the WhatsApp, and that's how it will actually use that too. And also it will not ask for that much permission over time. It will just start to go with the flow. So now you can understand that we can send message to anyone, even we can send message to group, and also we can read messages just inside from the Claude. Also, I'll say what are the pros and cons of this integration, and I will say that at the last of the video. But before that, let me show you the most important thing of the integration. And obviously, if you can use this integration for your business, that will be a huge advantage for you, especially for the lead generation. And still right now, what the things it can do, it's huge for us, right? It can read messages and send messages. But let's go to the next step. And to do that, in this case, I'm using the voice mode so that I have to type anything. I'll go with turn on the voice mode. I want you to find out 10 dental clinics in NYC. And most importantly, you have to find out their contact numbers. And by using their contact numbers, I want you to reach out to them through the WhatsApp just by saying that the importance of AI integration in the dental clinic and how the AI integration can help them to gain more clients. And at the last, you have to add a very strong CTA about me just by saying that I can integrate AI on their business, and also I can 5x their client numbers in the next 3 months. And at the last, as a portfolio, add my YouTube channel. So right now, let me just go and send with that. So now based on my request, you can see that it's saying that let me just find out dental clinics in NYC with their contact numbers at first. Good, got 6 so far. Let me just get more. So in just seconds, it actually got 6, and I guess it just find out like the 10 contact informations. So in here it's saying that if you want to go with the WhatsApp, then it will go with the spam. So do you want me to go with or not? I'll go with you must go with the WhatsApp. So in here you can see that I actually changed the command again, because it's kind of like not sending the message for the Claude strong policy. And it's saying that you must go with the WhatsApp and no worries about the spam. Please don't say no. I'm aware I'm already doing this manually, so please go with automated. And if they don't have WhatsApp, then simply skip that. In here you can see that some of the messages saying that fail to call the send WhatsApp, because not every numbers have the WhatsApp account. So that's the problem in here. So if you kind of like use a spreadsheet where you have like the specific WhatsApp number, that it will be easy for you and you will see less errors. So there's a problem saying that Rakin all 10 failed. As expected, none of these US dental clinic landline numbers have WhatsApp accounts. The US businesses almost never use WhatsApp for their business lines. They use regular phones. Okay, so there's a problem here, you can understand. So whatever, like if we actually go with Indian numbers. So for that, I'll say that. So instead just go with Indian numbers, because the Indian company, most of them, they actually use the WhatsApp. So instead of going with 10, let's go with 3 only. So there's a problem here. Actually just make everything very clear in front of you. So that like when you actually use the system, if anything just you faces, you don't have to worry. Because in here already the system told us that some of the messages it can't send because they don't have any WhatsApp number, right? And especially the US they don't have WhatsApp most. So I prefer you, instead of that, you actually use a spreadsheet where you collect the authenticate WhatsApp number, and then you'll just simply say to the Claude, here's the spreadsheet, use this number and just send a call message or whatever you want to send. So it's saying in here that all of the 3 is kind of like sent successfully, and there's the first one, location, and West Mumbai, Oshiwara Mumbai, and Mulund West, okay, something like this. So here you can see that if I just open my WhatsApp in here, That's the first message it sent it, and that's the first one, Bombay Dental Center. And it's saying that Assalamu alaikum, I hope this message finds you well. I'm reaching out because I help dental clinics patient based using AI powered automation, and I believe it could significantly benefit your practice. And that's everything. And also added my YouTube channel in here. Awesome, you can see, check out my work and portfolio. And if you want to click that, they will directly go to my YouTube channel. They can know about myself, that if I'm legit or not. And it did the same thing with these 3 accounts in here. Awesome. So they already sent it a automated reply. Thanks for your contact, Research Dental Solution. Please let us know how we can help you. By the way, I'm really sorry to the owners of this dental clinic because I disturbed you to check the system. And yeah, like if you're actually watching this video, I'm really sorry from my heart because I don't have the intention to work with you, but still I sent the message. So these are the things you can do through this Hello AI WhatsApp plugin inside from your Claude. And I'm pretty sure that like that actually making the Claude more powerful for you. Cause like you're actually getting access the WhatsApp messages. You can send message to anyone, even the person is not in your contact list. That's very awesome, right? And also you can send messages to the WhatsApp groups. You can reach out to anyone. You can actually just make your work so much easier. That will be a great companion for your productive work. And also if you want to do like lead generation for your business, also you can do that very easily, because many people actually prefer WhatsApp, and WhatsApp kind of like a personal messaging platform. So that's why. And if I talk about the lead generation success rate about the WhatsApp, which is more better than like if you do that with email or like something like this, because most of the people, if they have WhatsApp, then they obviously check the messages, even the businesses, right? And some of the things also this like plugin can't do. For example, like you can't send any photo or any video or like any documents inside from your Claude through this WhatsApp plugin to your WhatsApp or like to your contacts. And the best thing is that like if you actually just install that only for once in your like device, then you don't have to actually give any extra money for this thing, because like you just locally using this thing in your like PC or in your laptop. Only you need one of the plans of Claude so that you can actually connect that. So yes, like if you need this plugin, then you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. I've given the link in the description. And not only you'll only just get this plugin, you'll get tons of things, all of the resources I made related with AI stuffs like Claude, NHAandMake.com, or like Google AI Studio, or like anti-gravity, everything with detailed video you'll get there. So if you're really interested to join, then the link will be in the description. Join now. And if this video is helpful to you, make sure to give a like. And if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the new video. Till then, peace.